what I want to do is to create a copy and then look into more detail to this expenses table. So to start a new file, and I'm going to start just with a long table here, let's do a copy. Right click in this sheet here below, and then choose move or copy. Create a copy, put a check mark here, and I want to create a copy to a new workbook. So here at the top, we select new workbook and click OK. This will generate a new book that is not saved yet. So let's save our workbook. I'm going to save this on my same folder where we are working today. I'm going to just call it expenses. Okay, a regular Excel file. We don't need macros today or anything like that.